what is up? My name is Abby. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new videos of 2019. Happy New Year! This is going to be my second video of 2019, and the way I wanted to kick it off is with me painting something that won't go well because I suck at painting. So why not try following a Bob Ross tutorial? Episode is View from Clear Creek, I think. So yeah, I don't know, I've seen a lot of people do this and it's interested me. I've tried to do one before. We're gonna try doing some creek one. I don't know how to paint. I literally have sponge brushes and like normal brushes. We're gonna see how this turns out. Even if it's bad, I'm gonna upload it because it will be funny. So without further ado, let's just get on to painting. What you will need: paint and brushes and a canvas. Let's start. Alright, so the first step to any Bob Ross tutorial is that he puts white paint or liquid white on the top of his like thing to make get, I don't know, better. And it's gonna go this way. So by the way, it's about 7 at night right now. I really wasn't having a good day and I was just like, okay, I'll film a video. Okay, so he said you want to start with a lizard crimson. I'm not a dude like him, so I'm just gonna be putting on whatever, wherever. By the way, I'm down here following his tutorial. He said like a 2-inch brush. Don't have it.
Area here in the sky.
Okay,
The sky is covered with liquid white.
Okay, this is like contact if I do it. I did it. Okay, I've seen him do like this X thing before.
Where the entire canvas is. Crisscross strokes.
Oh, I did that down. Okay. But it has that pink in it. I don't. Okay. Am I doing that? Oh, I made contact, guys. Oh, that actually like kind of looks good.
What the heck? Just pull from the outside in.
Oh, okay.
I'm intentionally leaving a little area open here so it'll look like a little sheen of light.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. Y'all see me? I'm a painter. Not really. We can like make this darker, right? So we'll do, shoot, okay. We'll take some white now.
That lives right there.
Oh, we're making mountains?
This brush just put in a little. Guys, I screwed up. Oh my god, guys. Okay. I made contact, so. Okay, does that kind of look like it? Another little hill with bumps.
Another little hill.
Instead of hills and dales, we got hills and bumps.
Okay.
There. Maybe right on it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Lift upward.
We're making trees?
Oh, beautiful place.
Wow, I'm actually doing that.
Pretty soon. We're going to be in Branson, Missouri doing the show.
Wow, I did that, guys.
Larry, stop by and say hello.
I did that. I'm kind of proud of myself. Oh, how dark can we get? So we're using the violet, which is the darkest color I believe I have.
Just start from here.
Okay. Oh.
There's a bump.
There's a bump. Okay.
See that? Just let your imagination go.
Absolutely let your imagination.
I screwed up, you guys. I really messed up on this one. Okay. Please don't dislike.
Fantastic things that you do.
Okay.
So I don't believe what you can do is give you a job.
What the heck, guys? Look at his. Versus mine. Oh my gosh, I feel like. Oh, I think we're using yellow?
Yeah. We'll just continue to use the same brush. I'm going to take a little bit of green.
Green and yellow, what a mixture.
Oh!
Let's look at other areas. And you can do this with a touch of paint.
Bam!
Touch of
Wow. Okay, it doesn't look
always add
as bad.
So you got to try to get rid of it too.
Oh, we're going up?
There. Just a little.
Oh, we're going down.
Just tapping. Just tapping.
Yeah, I've been doing that.
You decide.
Y'all, what the heck? His looks much better than mine. I screwed up, guys. What did I just do? Oh my god, guys. I just really screwed up. I screwed up, guys. I messed up so bad. Okay, maybe we can fix it. We can fix it. It's fine. There. We fixed it. Okay. We're good. Okay, so this is how it's looking. We're trying to make a tree up there.
Brush full.
Okay. He went like.
Both sides.
Okay.
Alright. And maybe right there. Maybe in our world there's only
What?
just a little evergreen tree. They live right here in the fan brush. Just so scare about them.
Oh my god, I'm actually doing that.
Be my friend.
Those look like trees. What the heck? Guys, I suck at painting. Oh my god! How in the world? Okay, that's too white. So he said, like, if you just keep on rubbing at it. I really messed up. Like,
Grassy areas. See.
oh my god, guys. I messed up! What the heck?
You don't have to make all these decisions. Where do we live?
Oh my god, how did he do that? Okay.
Sign it.
A little red. Okay, we're gonna sign it, guys. We're just gonna go. There we go. Okay, that was very interesting. I failed that for sure, but I'm gonna post it because I want to show you guys how bad at painting I am. Are you ready for the final review? I did some more. Yeah, no. Ta-da! Okay. What went wrong was like this whole part. The mountains at first were like good.
The tree I should have never done. Yeah, I'm not the best at painting. Yeah, so it's fine. If you enjoyed watching me struggle painting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button down below as well as the bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And thanks for watching my painting channel. So thanks. I will see you guys next week. Bye!